operation process chart or operator process chart. Both are same. This is also important chart. This one also I have given for the question bank. Draw the operation process chart for the various tasks. Here the task is the car is jacked for repairing a tire puncture and the tire is fitted after the puncture is repaired. Here also you have to consider various operations. Let us see one by one. See here outline process chart or operation process chart. Both are same. See here the question is prepare an outline process chart or operation process chart for a repair of a car puncture. Okay. As you know, like let us say cycle puncture, bike puncture, or car puncture, you have to take that vehicle into the mechanic shed, a mechanic shop. Then they are doing some steps. Okay, let us see one by one. This is the final chart. Let us see one by one. The first step, see here. Initially, tire is punctured. Tire is punctured here. Then car is jacked or lifted and tube cap removed. Tube cap removed. So as you know, with the help of two jack, the car will be lifted and the tube cap will be removed. They will remove the cap. See, the first one is car jack. That is the on of the operation. And the tube cap removed. That is also one more operation. The next one is the nuts are loosened. You have to put in the cap. You have to remove. You have to loosen the nuts. Nuts. So there's a nuts loosened. That is also one more operation. Number three. Then let us see next one. Let us see the next operation. Hmm. So then once the after the losing the nuts, you have to remove the wheel. After then you have to remove the cover. After then you have to remove the tube. This is the sorry, you have to remove the tube from this tire. After then puncture is located and puncture is marked. You have to verify, you have to check and you have to locate and you have to mark the puncture here. The fourth operation already here, wheel is removed, operation. Cover removed, one more operation. And a tube removed. And puncture located, you have to inspect where is the puncture, where is the location. You have to check. So the mechanic have to check where is the puncture. So after the here, the checking of puncture means what's that? It's the inspection. So that's right. Number one is given the number one. After then again, they have to mark the puncture. So where is the puncture? They have to mark. This is some doing, some work, some operation. So again, operation number seven. After then, let us see one more point. See here. Then they have to repair the tube. One after marking the puncture, they have to repair the tube. The tube is repaired, and after completion, they have to check is there any other punctures are there or whether it is okay or not. So they have to check the tube. After then, again tube is put back. They have to put the tube into the tire. See, here tube checking. So tube checking means inspection. It's the second inspection. After then, tube put back is one more operation. Here tube repaired means tube repairing the tube means one more operation. Eighth number point number 8. After then, point number 8 to rating, point number 2 and point number 9. This is the second operation. This is the second inspection. This is the ninth operation, eighth operation, ninth operation. Okay. So once puncture is marked, you have to repair the puncture and you have to again put back the tube into the tire. After that, again you have to again put back the cover also. You have to back the cover also. After that, wheel is put back. Again, you have to back the wheel also. Then nuts tighten and tube cap back. Again, you have to tighten the nuts and you have to back the cap and tube cap back. So like that, you have to do all the operations. Once all the operations are completed, once completion of all the operations, then again car is unjacked or lifted and ready to start. These are the different operations to repair a car puncture. See here, cover put back. See, 10th one, cover put back operation and wheel put back and nuts tightened, tube cap put back, car unjacked and ready for study. So all are the various operations. Oh, first we are given the symbol of O. So if you see the summary, see this is the summary of various operations. See, initially you have to jack the car, you have to lift the car, tube cap removed, nuts loosened, wheel removed, and cover removed, and tube removed, and finally puncture located. This all are the operations. You're given the verb symbol, and this is you're given the square option. This is for the inspection, and puncture marked and tube repaired. These are all the operations. After then, directly you have to go to tube checked. You have to check the is any other punctures are there. This is one more inspection. Then you put back, cover put back, wheel put back, and the nuts tighten. You cap put back and car unjacked, lifted, and ready to start. These all are the different operations. So this is the outline process chart, the operation process chart. So in the you can count the number of operations are 14, inspections are 2, and total operations are 16. So like that, you have to prepare the outline process chart. Okay.